I need to do a little bit of a thread repair today. So I'm working on the head of my 1983 Honda CB1100F motorcycle, and the thread that holds this cam cover on is stripped. So this is stripped right here. I can screw this down and it continues to spin and it doesn't catch. So I'm going to install, similar to a Heli-Coil, a thread repair in this. And there's a couple steps that I have to go through to do that. So first I got to figure out the correct size. I already know, but I'll show you on my thread sizing chart how this works. And then I'll have to use the correct tap. So this is the bolt. So I love using this. This is just a thread sizing gauge. You can check both bolts and nuts. And this is helpful when you're trying to organize and you have a bunch of bolts that you don't know what size they are. So this, I'm gonna slide in here just to double check. So this is an M6. The pitch thread is a 1/0. So M6 1/0 is what we need to use. So first thing we'll need to do for this M6 is we'll need to drill. So we'll need to get rid of all the old threads and make this the correct size, because then we're going to tap. We're going to make sure that we can tap for the correct wire thread inserts. And then we will install, using this tool, one of these wire thread inserts. And then once we thread it down far enough, we'll use this last tool to break this little piece. Now, the thread inserts are much shorter than the bolt itself. So I may want to put 2 down in there just to ensure that I have a lot of this thread coverage, because this does need to be torqued to a certain spec. And it looks like this somebody had attempted a repair before and it didn't hold. So maybe by stacking 2 of them, that will allow us to get this in the right spot. So first we're going to drill. Now, just to help ensure that I'm drilling straight down, I'm going to use this drill block. And luckily this M6 fits perfectly inside of this 1/2 inch. So I will get this lined up. So to help keep the area clean, at least a bit, I'm just going to put down a couple rags. All right, got the drill bit in there. Hey, I've got the 1/4 right here. And then let's make sure we drill straight down. So this is going to be the right spot for it. Okay, we'll clean this up a bit. So to make sure this goes down to the correct depth, I'm going to make sure I can get all the way down to the bottom there. So I will put a piece of tape right here. All right, so we have the correct depth there. All right, so next, need to tap the hole for the wire inserts. Now we need to make sure that this goes in correctly. Okay, it's all the way down. So now I will just back this up. And slowly ensure this comes out in the same direction and doesn't damage any of the threads we just created. We have the new threads in there. Next step is to take one of these wire thread inserts, and then we will run this down. All right, so now let's run the Heli-Coil down. Okay, so we've got that coil where we want it. All right, so now the Heli-Coil is in there. I'm just going to take this little punch, and then I'm going to do it just like that, and that will lock the Heli-Coil in place. So now I can test to ensure that I can screw this bolt down. Okay, it looks like it's threading. That's great. And now I've just got this over to the side so that I can test and ensure that this will screw down properly. Awesome. So I'm able to tighten that bolt down. So, repair looks good. All right, that's it for tonight. Thanks for tuning in. If you want to get notifications when I release new videos, feel free to hit the subscribe button. Take care.